Hi, in this video you'll be seeing how to add slab into your design, and as you can see this will be a progressive from previous videos. And as far as we are here right now, we already added all the beams and columns. So now we have to add slab into your. So we're gonna add slab in our story one first. So you go to plan view, make sure the view is in story 1, and now to add slab you can find the slab icon over here, which is floor, or you can go through the geometry also, you can find as floors. So click on it and make sure the thickness is according to your desired thickness, and you click on rectangle, and for rectangle it will be a horizontal slab. So click on rectangle and you have to click on 3 points. So the first point will be here, as you can see, and the second point will be here, and the third point will be over here. And this will allow you to create a whole slab for the entire building. You can also create a slab one by one for each squares, and then you can leave a empty slot over here, empty space over here, which is the void for your staircase. Or you can do like what I did right now, create a whole slab, and then now I'll be doing a opening for the void for the staircase design. To do that, I'll be going to geometrics, go to objects, go to our rectangle object, which is our shape is in rectangle. So click on 3 points, and you click on the point that you want your opening to be. So click on here, first point, second point, and the third point. And now you close this, and now you can see there is already an opening right over here. To make sure this, you go to 3D view, and as you can see here, you can see a whole slab has been created with a void for your staircase landing. So now you're going to make sure you're going to create a slab for your landing as well. So the first for the same, you follow the same step, go to floors, click on the thickness required, and click on rectangle, and click on the points, first point, second point, and third point, and a slab for your landing will be created. And now we're gonna add a slab for your staircase as well. So to do that, you unclick the horizontal slab and go to the edge of your column, click on that as the first point, and the second point will be your middle of your beam. Your cursor will automatically point you the middle of the beam, so you just click on it at the second point, and then the third point will be a middle point from this, will be a point from this column, so you just click on the third point, and now a slab for your staircase will be created. And same goes for the another set of staircase going from the landing. So you continue, you click on the midpoint of the beam to the edge of the beam, and then you continue to the place that you want the landing, the slab to be. So click on here and close, and now you can check if your staircase is correctly placed. As you can see, the staircase will be starting from here, going up to the landing, going up to the floor. So this means your design for your staircase is perfectly created. So that's all for this video. Thank you.